Oh yeah. Hello YouTube, Timur is here with Wind Up and Leviathan openings. 8. We've been waiting for this day, so
thank you. 28.
Go first.
Alright, so I'll start with Leviathan and there you go.
Hey, start ripping yours. We're just gonna start ripping.
Start off with
they know the promos. You don't have to open
you guys know the promos, but we yeah, I'll start off with some Ragnarok.
Oh, thanks.
Why is this so...
Pull keys on or Shein. Would be nice. Draw, over here.
My bad.
Oh, super. Hey, lay him out. Rares and super. We've been waiting for this day. We waited for the cashier to open them. Luckily,
yeah, we had to ask.
Yeah, I think we got them all out in here.
Yeah, we left like 4 left.
Yeah, and they're all Leviathan. You know. Symphonic.
What's with all these hollows?
Worse.
The 2 hollows in a row.
Alright, Tengu.
Trishula. Try hard.
Wow.
Bartra. Birdman, no.
Well, wait, these are universals. They don't count. They're all hollow. What the? Damn.
Triforce.
Alright, next 10. Got hurry at this up.
Alright, next 10.
We could record up to 15 minutes.
It's about 2 minutes already.
That's it, dude. One more pack.
Oh yeah. Alright, come on. Thank you. Well, tour guide might go
Tour
down,
guide.
but whatever.
Tour guide. Boom!
Oh, Junk Berserker.
Trade toad.
Here, I'll take your...
Wow.
These are all the good stuff.
It's already worth it for 20. Doesn't really matter. The packs are basically free.
No.
Pokemon drill?
So we're basically getting free packs.
Scrubber.
Alright, next.
Shion's Dojo.
Dojo.
Oh,
He's on something.
Doppel Warrior.
That's okay. Good rare.
Shula.
Oh, Cerberus, nice. Not bad.
Is there Birdman?
Oh! Trish!
I'll sell it to you for 30, girl.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Dude.
Trish!
Yugioh.
Trish! These packs are godly.
Oh my god.
What, a red character?
Good pull.
Alright, worth it. That tin right there, worth it. Look, I got my money back right away.
Come on.
Damn,
Is this the
Yugioh, I hate you.
I know I want a tin, man.
Promos.
Hate you, Yugioh.
It's 3 minutes.
Oh. What the?
Come on.
What's wrong with this one?
Trish!
Oh, is that hollow?
No. Whatever. I'm happy about the Trish.
Come on, please. I want to get good pull.
What's with these packs? They're pretty hard to open. Alright. No good Summer Ragnarok crap. Alright, second Trish.
Dude, you have to give me one for free.
Oh no. I'll sell it cheap.
Oh, wait. Oh, that's still good though.
Next Trish.
Oh, reliever.
Oh, whatever.
Damn.
Alright, fix your stuff.
Still. Chris, you should start. Chris, start.
Hold on.
There you go.
Bam!
Halberd. So that's it. I guess Trish is the best pull of everything.
Ultis, supers. Yeah. Trish. I might sell that to one of my friends, so.
I need this. You know.
So it might not be for trade. We'll tell you.
We'll tell when we get our binder. We'll sort that all up. Oh, the
no.
temple. Dojo would have been good. Yugioh, your turn. Damn. Six. Loki. 600 dead. No. They just got me.
Wait, I have there's some crappy glare here. Whatever. See? They're pretty hard to open,
Guy,
huh?
Tengu. Dodger.
Yeah, that's not that bad.
Oh shit. Nope, no Birdman.
Come on, please.
Trish. I didn't see that coming.
Damn, that's how I see.
Oh,
Wait, draw. Nothing.
good there.
Next 10.
It's cool, we got like
Draw,
4
let me
more.
get this though, please.
Yeah,
Alright.
listen.
Alright.
Thank you. Come on. Come on, please.
Come on. Wait, we got 4 more tins to go, right?
Yep. So, come on, Chris. Something good. Double. Come on. Should be good hollow.
Right here, Xian.
Xian, Kizan would be nice.
No, nothing.
Nordic.
Did something fall?
No, these are just packs.
Oh. No one even needs that.
Trishula. What's the time for?
Shit, it's 6:40.
Deity.
Deity.
Damn.
Alright. Last pack?
Yeah, last spot.
Come on, Chris. Trish. Second Trish, come on.
Nope.
No.
Man, that sucks.
Okay,
I like my tin.
let's go. Something good. Alright. Well, first open extreme. Don't really expect anything.
Perfect.
Nothing already. Storm. Nope.
Come on, Tristan.
Smoke signal. Nothing from those packs. Nope.
Contala.
Okay,
Crappy
it's cool, it's
tin.
cool. It's cool, you got 2 more tins. Promos are
Oh
worth
my
it.
god!
Another?
That tin
Look
was
at that
wow.
Trish, man. Look at that.
They can't see it.
Here, let me see.
Dude, sleeve it.
Okay, I can.
Good thing I got the Leviathan
You
dragon.
know, we're at our...
Yeah.
Come on. Wow, nothing.
Still got power.
Yeah, the promos are worth it alone. Kageki. Where to fail.
No, the Leviathan.
Nothing so far. Please. Hyper. Oh my god, diarrhea. Oh my god, nothing. Crap for me.
One more to go. Come on.
Is that the 2 things already?
Yeah. Nothing
Yeah,
cool,
look at
guys.
this, man. So many men.
Junk serving. Come on. Oh my god.
Oh, rare.
What is this?
Damn, you're on a rare fest.
Oh my god.
That's what you get for getting Zen.
Where's a Trish?
Oh my god. Yep.
Where's...
Alright, come on.
Stereo. Birdman.
That's
Well,
cool.
that's it.
Yeah. We'll do a recap of all
later.
this. So, yeah. Thanks
So,
for
yeah,
watching.
thanks for
Best
watching.
pool, the Trish. Alright. Thanks. Bye.